Why can't I learn on YouTube? Of course you can. If you're an employee at a company today, and most of us are busy, the first question I have is how do I learn with my work? So you need learning that fits around your work in that sense. Secondly, it needs to be easily accessible. If you look at physical learning where you've got to go to a campus or an institute, it takes time, logistics, there is, we have to live lives as well. So that's difficult. And therefore, a lot of the learning that we do is virtual learning, very often live virtual learning, because people tend to learn best in small groups. And if you can create live virtual groups, small group learning using the right technology, the right tools, people tend to learn better. That's how employees approach us. Because look, I keep getting this question, why can't I learn on YouTube? Of course you can. I mean, YouTube gives you options. But YouTube gives you acquaintance with the subject. It doesn't necessarily make you proficient enough on a subject to be able to do a different job or do your job better. Also, all of us are motivated differently. And that's why if you take completion rates on self-serve programs, often the industry average is 5 to 7%. There are some really world-class platforms out there that most companies have rolled out saying, look, we have a whole buffet of learning offerings. People can go and learn. And on the other side of the spectrum, you've got physical colleges or physical institutes. So what we've tried to do is focus very much on cohort-based live virtual learning, which is the right balance between accessibility and outcome, which is where the industry is heading from a learning perspective.